Godot versus Pygame, which game development framework is better? Choosing the right framework can transform how you build games without unnecessary complexity. Godot offers a full engine experience, while Pygame focuses on simplicity and control. Godot and Pygame are popular frameworks for game development, but serve different needs. Godot is a comprehensive game engine with built-in tools, while Pygame is a lightweight library that provides the basics for 2D game programming in Python. Godot is a fully featured open-source game engine designed for both 2D and 3D game development. It provides a complete environment with a visual editor, scene system, animation tools, and scripting support using GDScript, C, and more. Godot's node-based architecture allows developers to organize game elements intuitively. Its built-in physics engine, animation system, and cross-platform export options streamline the development process. Strengths include a user-friendly editor, extensive documentation, and robust community support, making it ideal for developers seeking a powerful all-in-one solution. However, Godot's learning curve can be steeper for beginners, especially those unfamiliar with its scripting language or scene system. Performance is solid but may lag behind engines optimized for high-end 3D graphics. Godot is best suited for developers who want to create complex games with rich features while maintaining control over the workflow without relying heavily on external tools. Pygame is a lightweight Python library focused on 2D game development, providing essential modules for graphics, sound, and input handling. It works by giving developers direct access to game components through Python code, offering flexibility and simplicity. Pygame's strengths lie in its ease of use, making it accessible for beginners and educators, and its integration with Python's extensive ecosystem. It excels in rapid prototyping and simple game projects where full engine features aren't necessary. Limitations include the absence of a visual editor, no built-in physics engine, and manual management of game states and assets. This means more coding effort is required for complex games. Pygame is ideal for developers who prefer coding from scratch, want to learn game programming fundamentals, or build lightweight 2D games without overhead. Its minimalistic approach offers freedom, but demands more hands-on development compared to a full engine. Godot and Pygame cater to different development styles and project scopes. Godot is suited for developers who want a ready-to-use engine with visual tools, supporting both 2D and 3D games, ideal for projects needing advanced features like animation and physics. It reduces setup time but requires learning its unique system. Pygame offers complete control through Python scripting, perfect for smaller 2D games or educational purposes where simplicity and customization are priorities. It lacks built-in tools, so developers handle more low-level tasks. For example, a developer creating a complex platformer with physics and animations might choose Godot for its integrated capabilities. Meanwhile, a hobbyist building a basic arcade game or learning game programming might prefer Pygame for its straightforwardness. The trade-off is between Godot's comprehensive environment and Pygame's lightweight flexibility. Choose Godot if you want a powerful, all-in-one game engine with visual tools and multi-platform support, especially for complex 2D or 3D projects. Opt for Pygame if you prefer coding games directly in Python with minimal setup, focusing on simple 2D games or learning programming fundamentals. Both frameworks excel in their domains, so select based on your project needs and development style for best results.